What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. Today's episode, folks, we have a coin intro on BABB, ticker symbol BAX. BABB pretty much just stands for bank account based on blockchain, and bank account based on blockchain pretty much just wants to use blockchain technology to offer a bank account to anyone in the world with built-in access to crowdsourced financial services. Pretty much the benefits of having a decentralized bank system are cutting down the cost of cutting down costs, pretty much distributed strength and improved security. But how does BABB plan to do this? So they pretty much plan to do this through an app. Emerging markets are pretty much going straight forward for the mobile data networks. The banks are next. I'm assuming it's only a matter of time before the banks decide to jump onto the mobile data network. So they pretty much plan to do this with an app, and they're going to be opening you're going to be opening a real UK bank account, which will be opened through their app. And with that app, you also get a payment black card, which is either going to have an NFC tag or a QR code on it, with no data stored on it, so it'll be completely safe, completely secure. And this is going to be completely different from Visa and MasterCard. But that's a quick little intro on BAB. Currently down about 9% for the day, sitting at just above a little bit more than a quarter penny, a little bit more than a quarter penny, down 9%. BTC value down 5.5% at 29 satoshis. And we're actually going to be looking at a little different at the Ether value today, down about 0.5%, sitting at 404 Ether. But really quick though, folks, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap sitting at 405 billion. Let me go ahead and click on the website before I forget. Today's volume is 40 billion. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 38.3. Bitcoin still slightly above 9,000, down about 3.5% for the day. Ethereum down almost 9%, sitting at 645. The big one here, Ripple down about 11%. I felt that one yesterday, man. Down about 11%, sitting at 83 cents. EO down almost 2, sitting at 15. Litecoin sitting at 8.5, down 8.5. Sorry, sitting at 150. Who are the big winners today? Mixing up 20. Steam, damn, Steam, you're moving. What the heck? Wow, up almost 11% for the day, just below $4. Nice. Monocoin up 9.5, almost 9.5, and Storm up about 7. But you folks came here for some BABB. Couple of exchanges here: Bancor Network, IDEX, Ether Delta, and DDEX. We're looking at IDEX today. But let's go ahead and click on their website here. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I definitely recommend you folks read the white paper if you haven't. That's where I get all my information from. The World Bank for the Microeconomy, a decentralized banking platform that leverages blockchain and biometrics to offer anyone in the world access to a UK bank account for peer-to-peer financial services. Watch the video if you guys want some more information. So, bank account based on blockchain. Our decentralized banking platform will enable anyone to open an account and crowdfund financial services. Mobile app with global connectivity, send money across the world, exchange currencies, lend and borrow money, and fundraise for projects. The black card, spend fiat currency, or BAX, which is your ticker symbol, which is the coin you'll be trading on their BAB platform. Is a native cryptocurrency online in any country using the black card, a revolutionary decentralized payment card linked directly to the BABB bank account. Social know your customer, so you can pretty much vouch for anyone and give them access to a UK bank account using only a smartphone, which I think is pretty cool. Central bank digital currencies. BAX, the native token, will enable central banks to issue their own digital currencies to stimulate the microeconomy. Local digital currencies offer citizens access to international remittances and payment gateways. Open platform. Any business can pretty much accept and support currencies. Fully compliant anywhere in the world. Sorry, I'm just trying to get through this quick. Anytime I'm pretty much introducing a new coin, the videos tend to be a little bit longer. And try to keep everything nice and short, so I just kind of try to run through the websites. Impact. So BABB will empower the microeconomy, improving lives and livelihoods, creating new opportunities for individuals and businesses across the world. Developers and businesses are going to pretty much be using this to create applications that can be plugged seamlessly into their platform, from freelancers employed in the gig economy to the global corporations. BABB's borderless integrated payment systems can reduce the cost of doing business. So that's one of the perks of having or being a part of a decentralized banking system, is you are bringing down the cost. End users, anyone around the world, will be able to open a UK bank account. All you need to do is download the app, take a selfie, read a passphrase for your voice print. With this account, you can access almost limitless choices of banking service at a low cost. That's pretty cool. I like how how easy and how secure it is to open a bank account. So I like that. Central banks can leverage BAB's technology to start implementing local digital currencies for the microeconomy in a regulated ecosystem. This will enable them to offer citizens access to international remittances and payment gateways. Token sale participants. The BAX token is the native currency of the BABB platform. Token sale participants can buy and hold this currency and benefit from the huge value of the platform. So overall, I like the idea of it, banking the unbanked pretty much, and you're able to do this all through your mobile app. You do get a card that comes with that, and it is different from Visa and MasterCard and doesn't store any information, what I think is pretty important. I feel like that's probably the key feature there that they're bringing. How they do not have their banking license from my research. However, they are planning to get it here in 2019. However, they are still able to do some banking practices without their license, from my research. But you folks came here for some price actions. Let's go ahead and do that. So Bitcoin came down all the way to 8,600 and then a huge retracement towards the upside. I think it was just a whale, a whale that was probably just taking profit or something, or decided to dump. Price did come back down to our support level here at 9,000. We did close just barely above 8,900, which would make sense because that's where we were struggling to break through. So we did just close above that level. It looks like we found support, and now we're heading back towards the upside. Momentum definitely starting to slow down here on the 4-hour. So I would wait till we get that break and close, folks, above 9,250. Once we do break and close above 9,250, we should be good to go here. Yeah, 9,250. Wait for that break and close above that on the hourly. Should be good to go. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum did the same thing here, dropped all the way down to about 581. Currently sitting at 646. Let's go ahead and switch over to the 4-hour, see what the 4-hour is showing us. Did the exact same thing, came back down to where we broke out of here at about 615. As you can tell, wick, higher low. Looks like we're going to be forming another higher low here. Wait for that break and close above 660. Once we do break and close above 660, folks, should be good to go. However, I think this is good. Where's my momentum? Yeah, momentum definitely starting to shift towards the upside, as you could tell. Let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin, down about 8.5% for the day. Litecoin came as low as 140. Wow. Switch over to the 4-hour. See what the 4-hour is showing us. Nice little double bottom. Bottom 1, bottom 2. This is where we were stuck in consolidation for a bit. Finally broke out, came down to test it for support. Momentum slowly but surely starting to head towards the upside. This Litecoin is moving a lot slower than I expected, but that's alright, because I know once it does pop, it'll be a beautiful pop. So just wait for that, folks. But I'm waiting for that break and close above 155 before I decide to add to my position. But you could add to your position here once we break and close above 150 on the 4-hour. If we do break and close above 150 on the 4-hour, that's also a great position since we did just hit support. But you folks came here for some BAX to Ether. That's a weird one. BAX to Ether technical analysis. Let me go ahead and switch over to the 1-hour. So we don't have too much information on data on this. As you could tell, we're currently sitting, because we can't even, so check it out. It doesn't even show us our price here. It just shows us where we're at. But that's all right. So we're sitting at 404 Ether right now. 410 is what this is showing us. Oh, I can kind of see the numbers. But we got a nice little triple bottom here. Bottom 1, bottom 2, and then bottom 3. What I'm waiting for, just to play it safe, is I'm waiting for that break and close above 430 Ether. Once we do break and close above 430 Ether, we should be good to go. However, if you are an aggressive trader, now would have been the time to buy. We did just break 400 Ether, and that was a pretty major resistance that we couldn't break through. But if we do break and close above 400 Ether, you could take a nice little buy there and then ride it all the way up to about 450 Ether. But this is a long-term buy, folks. I can't really show you where I'm expecting this to go, since I can't really, I don't have any price. Currently sitting at about a 400 Ether. I think if this coin definitely, succeeds or stays on track and gets that banking license in 2019, this can be a huge risk reward. Currently sitting at about 400 Ether. I think this thing, oh, where'd it go? Could easily come up to about 1,500 Ether. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Excuse my weird face while I concentrate. Bam. Looking at it, 1,500 Ether towards the beginning of 2019, folks. Beginning of 2019, if they do get that banking license. Oh, let me bring that back down. Currently sitting at 410 Ether. Wait for that break and close above 400 Ether on the hourly. Once we do get that break and close above 400 Ether on the hourly, we should be good to go. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed and you have post notifications turned on, and you give this video a thumbs up. Other than that, guys, keep commenting down below and keep giving the videos a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.